Today, I'll show you how to check Live View in Google Maps. Live View is a Google Maps feature that uses your phone camera to show walking directions in the real world. Instead of only looking at the map, you can hold up your phone and see arrows, street labels, and directions overlaid on your surroundings. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure location services are turned on. Also make sure Google Maps has permission to use your camera, because Live View needs the camera to recognize nearby streets and buildings. Now search for the place you want to visit. Tap the destination, then tap Directions. Next, choose the walking option. Live View is mainly designed for walking navigation, so you may not see it for driving or public transport routes. After selecting walking directions, look for the Live View button. Tap Live View. Google Maps may ask you to point your camera at buildings, signs, or landmarks around you. Hold your phone up and slowly move it so Google Maps can understand your location. Once it detects where you are, you will see arrows and directions on your screen. Follow the on-screen guidance, but always pay attention to your surroundings. Do not stare at your phone while crossing streets or walking in busy areas. If Live View does not appear, update Google Maps, check your camera permission, and make sure the area supports Street View data. And that's it. You now know how to check Live View in Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.